If you are excited about digital technologies, if you are excited about law, innovation and technology, this LLM is precisely for you. We've witnessed enormous changes in how people do business online and how they interact. So this LLM is there to address this challenge, to keep up with the digital innovation.
IT law just got me really interested in how the law is regulating technology. So how do we actually look at upcoming technologies like artificial intelligence, like machine learning? How do we regulate them? It's interesting that there's so many different technologies out there. Why isn't the law making use of them? And through studying this, I ended up working in legal tech now.
So it's a very broad topic, and we do things like IT law or the regulation of copyright, for example, in relation to video games. We also look at data protection, but then we look at things like how technology affects trade law or procurement law or competition law. So it's really cross-cutting and quite diverse.
My dissertation or final year research project is on the topic of regulating artificial intelligence in the public sector, and I got to work on machine learning as a part of my course, which was incredible. And as a result of that, I thought that's something I would really want to practice in the future.
Bristol area is really well known for all its technological companies and the fast-moving industry in this area. So some people would call it the Silicon Gorge. And the collaborations between industry and academia are going to thrive here in the years to come. We've done extensive research into what skills and knowledge the lawyers will need in order to be future ready.
Students can pursue, of course, traditional legal careers, but with the new added-on skills. But they can also go on to do different things. They can work for advocacy groups, they can work for international organizations, they can also work in non-legal careers just because they have this understanding of how the world works.
In my day-to-day job as a legal engineer, it's incredibly important to understand the law because you have to understand how lawyers work, to be able to speak to them and to sell kind of legal tech products to them. So definitely having my law degree was incredibly important for both sides of that.
Bristol is very good for teaching, and it's very, very supportive in terms of all the career progressions that you might want to go on. I really enjoy debating, mooting, and I really want to go to court and actually defend the cases. So for me, I've decided that I would want to be a barrister, commercial barrister, practicing technology law and intellectual property.
Unlike in the more traditional courses, on this LLM you will develop productive familiarity with disciplines such as data science, computer science, or economics. You will become one of a kind.